All right, me and Jose get to weld in some structural steel here in Berthoud. Just got to make 3 connections. The framers flew all the steel in, and we're just showing up to do the easy stuff. So there it is. It's gonna be a good day. Got the rig truck, and it's a muddy site, but luckily we're on the snow side, so the ground's frozen. Hell yeah, life's good. You gonna fall? All right, baby. You filming?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna burn one.
This is like the president's office. We're always filming.
Yeah. Let me tack here. And now I'm gonna burn one. Gotta burn them uphill on structural. 70/18 1/8" rod. Got the machine turned to about 118, which is low to some, but that's where I like it for uphill. Well, let's take a break. Let that cool down, you know what I mean? I'll sometimes just let that cool, jump somewhere else, burn some more, jump around, and then clean it and then finish it.
Sheesh.
Yeah, boy.
Look at that rounded corner, man.
Yeah, all the way around. All right. Watch, record me like it. Wire wheel. Yeah. Check that fucker out. All right, there it is. Started right here, burned a 4G across, then did that, what's uphill, 3G?
Yeah.
3G uphill, boom, 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 then across the top, 2G, or I got to about here, and then I came down here, burned it up. There it is, 1/4" weld all the way around. Got those clips done, so did 4. Now we got 1 connection over there, so. Hell yeah, Jose. Got the truck. Good old reliable. Love it. Hell yeah. This is why you have a big badass truck, because you gotta get into some really muddy, snowy situations. Cool, I should do it. All right, this is an interesting connection here. This piece is gonna get anchored to the cement, and it's gonna hold the beam, but it wasn't in place when we got here. So we just pretty much put it up there. The framers have some temp wall columns holding the beam, but we're gonna just weld it on, and then they can come anchor that thing in and move the height if they had to. So we'll weld out the 3 sides. Call it good. Yes. All right, here's this thing that's gonna get anchored to the wall that's holding up the beam. We did this 4G and 2G, I guess is what that is, but there you go. 70/18,